Hello, APSC TYQA Part B, Year 2001. Question number 25 to 52, Paper 1, General Studies. Question number 25. A series of numbers set is age 20 and 50. What will be the next in the order of sequence? A 150, B 110, C 125, D 115. The correct answer is C 125. 26. B, J, K, M, and S are computer operators in a form G. Their seat arrangement are 1, S is left of K, 2, J and M are right of B, 3, S and M do not sit together, 4. D and M are rival, always sit either side of J. Who is sitting in the center? A, M, B, J, C, S, D, K. The correct answer is D. Number 27. Find the odd group out. 1. Pen, nib, ink, pencil. 2. Zebra, giraffe, goat, sheep. 3. Dispur, Imphal, Dimapur, Agartala. D. Yamuna, Gomti, Gantak, and Ghagara. The correct answer A, 2, B, 1, C, 3, D, 4. The correct answer is C, 3. 28. A special series of numbering 9531, 9642, 9753. What will be the next correct numbering? Numbering the A 9420, B 8751, C 8642, D 9864. The correct answer is D 9864. 29. Which of the following is the largest fractions? A 1/3, B 2/3, C 4/3, 4, D 8/5. The correct answer is C 4/3. Question number 30. If 28th February of 2001 is Wednesday, what will be the day of week on 28th February 2002? A. Wednesday, B. Thursday, C. Friday, D. Tuesday. The correct answer is B. Thursday. Question number 31. A 20 centimeter into 20 centimeter into 30 centimeter rectangular box is tied with a ribbon outside along the middle of the 6 faces, assuming that an extra 10 centimeter of the ribbon is required for trying to note the minimum length of the ribbon is A 80 centimeter, B 130 centimeter, C 170, and D 190. The correct answer is D 190 centimeter. 32. A ship S is tied by 2 ropes each 15 meters long to 2 posts P and Q, which are 20 meters apart. The region over which the ship can move is the shaded region given by A, B, C, and D. The correct answer is A. 33. If ATAL is coded 74, then LATA will be coded as F47, B48, C74, D77. The correct answer is F47. 34. The missing number in the third circle is A3, B9, C12, D15. The correct answer is B9. Half percent of 100 is A50, B5, C 0.5, D 0.05. The correct answer is C 0.5. 36. The devastating earthquake of Gujarat in 2001 took place on 28 January, B 26 January, C 30th February, D 27 February. The correct answer is B 26 January. 37. Who chaired the National Commission on Population in 2000? A. K.C. Pant, B. Krishna Singh, C. Dr. A. M. Khusro, D. Atal Bihari Vajpayee. The correct answer is C. Dr. A. M. Khusro. 38. The provincial figure of India's population as per 2001 census is A. 1007 million, B. 1017 million, C. 1021 million, D. 1037 million. The correct answer is C. 1027 million. 39. The governor of the Reserve Bank of India in 2001 was A. Dr. C. Rangarajan, B. Dr. D.T. Lagdawala, C. Dr. Bimal Jalan, D. Dr. L.K. Jha. The correct answer is C. Dr. Bimal Jalan. 40. The present Secretary General of United Nations in 2001, A. Robert McNamara, B. Robert McNamara, C. Nelson Mandela, D. Kofi Annan. The correct answer is D. Kofi Annan. 41. The Andhra Power Project is situated in A. Maharashtra, B. Karnataka, C. Tamil Nadu, D. Goa. The correct answer is A. Maharashtra. 42. The aim of India's economic plan is to raise a living standard of people, B. National income, C. Per capita income, D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above. The name of Tehelkar chief is A. Anindha Bahal, B. Sanjay Khan, C. Tarun Tejpal, D. Pranay Roy. 44. Which one of the following is popularly known as the software capital of India? A. Mumbai, B. Bangalore, C. Hyderabad, D. Kolkata. The correct answer is B. Bangalore. A. 45. Dehradun is capital of Uttarakhand. A. B. Chhattisgarh, C. Jharkhand, D. Himachal Pradesh. The correct answer is A. Uttarakhand. 46. The population of Assam as per data of 2001 census field within the range of A. 210 lakh to 225 lakh, B. 225 lakh to 250 lakh, C. 250 to 270, D. 270 to 290 lakh. The correct answer is C. 250 to 270. Question number 47. To which one of the following states does the district of Bhuj belong? A. Karnataka, B. Rajasthan, C. Gujarat, D. Maharashtra. The correct answer is C. Question number 48. Community development is organized on the basis of A. Population, B. Area, C. Community, D. Population and community. The correct answer is C, community. Question number 49. The 9th 5-year plan got completed on 31st March A 2002, B 2003, C 2004, D 2005. The correct answer is A 2002. Question number 50. Who is the author of the book India 2020, A Vision for the New Millennium? A. Khushwant Singh, B. R.K. Lakshman, C. APJ Abdul Kalam and Y.S. Rajan, D. Niran C. A. Chowdhury and V.S. Naipaul. The correct answer is C. APJ Abdul Kalam and Y.S. Rajan. Question number 51. Indian-born scientist Subramaniam Chandrasekhar had won the Nobel Prize for his work in the area of nuclear medicine, B. Biochemistry, C. Molecular biology, D. Astrophysics. The correct answer is D. Astrophysics. Question number 52. J.M. Lengot was appointed as the Chief Election Commissioner to succeed M.S. Gill, who was appointed as Election Commissioner in place of Lengdo. The A. K.C. Mittal, B. D.D. Tendon, C. Dr. R.S. Paroda, D. Dr. S. Rama Goda. The correct answer is A. K.C. Mittal. Thank you for watching my video.